Hey, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Today we are gonna be doing a little trade recap. Took three trades this week, won three trades this week. Um, very simple. Euro USD, very good pair of the week. So was AUD. AUD moved really strong this week, but I like Euro better, looked better, and I'm gonna show you why. First things first, coming on Monday market open, or Sunday actually. Sunday opened up very bullish, breaking structure over all of these highs over here, and I'm like, we for sure gonna be bullish this week because if we look on the 4 hour time frame, let's go over here. So originally we were downtrending, then right here made this lower low, lower high, lower low. Then we pushed up, broke past this lower high. This is how we got our first trade of the week. So once we broke structure over this high, I already knew that Euro was going to be on the uptrend, which that's exactly what it did. So we scaled down. What we're going to see here is, hold on, let me switch. We got this level that we're looking at. This is the level I was looking at because this is a high that it made, and we're looking for this resistance to turn into support over here. So when we go on the lower time frame, one thing I've been sticking to is just being more patient, waiting for that setup. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, we got here on this little retracement here, and then boom, just held that up. That's first TP, and then boom. Once first TP gets hit, here we were targeting this 4 hour high. So I'm like, okay, boom. Once we tag this 4 hour high, and in the back of my mind, I'm like, okay, we're most likely gonna retrace off of that. So if we're making higher highs and higher lows, we just gotta wait for that little correction, so we know we're gonna keep on making those higher highs. So that's exactly what we did. We waited. So we got this right here. This was our next level that we were looking at right here. This high right here, which was this right here. Yeah, this was the next high we were looking at for it to come down, tap into before we go in higher. So we go on the 15-minute time frame. Here, I like to wait for the 15-minute break of structure. Originally, I used to say the 5-minute break of structure, but I realized that there was more of a chance, not saying that it's gonna hit your stop loss, but there's more of a chance that it will, other than waiting for the 15 minute. The 15 minute is gonna give you more confirmation. Like ever since I started waiting for the 15-minute confirmation, I have not been getting stopped out as much. I don't really get stopped out a lot. So yeah, I just waited for the 15 minute to break structure over here. So yeah, I was looking for this high to get taken over, and then boom, we got this long. And then the same exact thing again, our time frame. Since we made this new high, right? Because originally we were looking at this high over here to bounce up, and then we're looking at this high to come down, go up. Now we're looking at this high for this to come down and keep going up. You see how this works? It's very simple. You know what I'm saying? It's like stairs. Just think about it like stairs. Like we got this step, then it's gonna come down to this step, come down to this step, come down to this step. You know what I'm saying? Very simple. So same thing again. We wait for this retracement. Then we go on the 15-minute time frame. Once the 15-minute break structure over, so boom, this was the candle I entered off. Once it closed, we broke past all those highs. I'm like, okay, boom, we're good to go. We enter, and then boom, straight bull run. You feel me? And that's literally it. That's all you gotta do, bro. It's super simple. Just be patient. Use that 15-minute time frame. I'm not gonna lie, that's just good, bro. But yeah, that's about it. Very simple. I'm gonna keep you guys posted next week. Probably gonna continue trading euro for the next week. So we look at the daily time frame. We are very bullish on the daily time frame, which I really like. Um, Not bad at all. Probably gonna come up to here. So next week I'm gonna be looking for. This is what we're gonna be looking for next week. Um, I do not see us retracing all the way down to here. So we will probably react off one of these highs. I want to say these right here, this looks very, very good. So we're going to do something like that. Unless we just go straight for it. But this is initially my target where I feel like price is going to reverse that. But other than that, no point in talking about it, but just waiting. You feel me? And that's about it. Hope you guys understood me very well. If you got any questions, leave it in the comments below. And I'm out.